Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I am Crypto Kip, and today there is blood in the streets. And really, something you guys need to take a look at is these ultra discounts you're going to be getting right now. Also, FTX flipped crypto.com. Celsius is facing a liquidity crisis, and major exchanges are currently laying off copious amounts of workers. And that is something that is scaring the markets. Guys, right now, the Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index is really low at like historic lows. And I'm going to show you guys a little bit about this Fear and Greed Index, because this is what you want to be seeing when it comes to buying a good price in Bitcoin and crypto. And it's all about this. So let's take a peek at it. Looking at this Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index right now. At those lows previously, we were at 17 and 14 last month. We're all the way down to 7. And I've talked about this in a couple different episodes, but when this Fear and Greed Index is really low, this is the opportunity for you guys to get some really cheap Bitcoin. And that's exactly what we talked about in yesterday's video. But here is the proof. Look at this Fear and Greed Index. It is so low. Historically, I mean, this is a really low number, and you know you're getting a good price. Now, we could still see some downward movement. Right now, Bitcoin is at $21,000, and it is nearing its previous all-time high for, where it's falling to. And it went all the way down to 20,800 here, which is close to the previous peak. Ethereum's already below its previous peak from 2018, but Bitcoin is teetering right on the edge, and that would be a first for Bitcoin history. So, what am I saying? Well, let's take a peek at some of this news too. So you've actually got FTX right now with a lot going on. They just flipped crypto.com in terms of coin market cap. When you go over to the main charts on coin market cap and you take a peek at the ranks, it has actually flipped crypto.com. Now, crypto.com fell quite a bit here. So Chainlink and Litecoin actually have a bigger market cap than crypto.com right now. Still love the project, love exchange tokens, but here's the story. All of these exchanges are currently undergoing serious layoffs. You have Coinbase that laid off 16% of its workforce. Celsius, you name it, BlockFi, Coinbase, crypto.com, FTX, every single exchange has had to lay off workers, but FTX is showing some strength right now, and they have a lot of friends in high places as they have donated to some significant presidential campaigns, and they are, a good platform. They acquired BlockFi, and so, there's a lot of good for these exchanges, and you can go down the list of what crypto.com has good and what Binance is doing well. They've got their chains, they've got DeFi, but right now, these exchange tokens are getting a lot of fear, and they're crashing pretty bad. I mean, crypto.com's down 33%. Even FTX, which is holding pretty well, is down 11%. You look at even Binance Coin, and Binance Coin is down 24% over the last 7 days. So there's a lot of FUD going on in the market and a lot of fear. But when you look at what's actually happening now, this Celsius situation is actually pretty crazy, because Celsius is actually currently undergoing a liquidation crisis, and it is kind of unprecedented when it comes to crypto. So this is they're at risk of getting liquidated on what they have locked up. Their amount of money that they have on hand is dropping significantly, and if it drops down to like 16,000, if Bitcoin goes down to 16,000, they are at risk of getting liquidated. So the coin is dropping horribly. And now this is more of a traditional finance exchange. In a way, I think of it that way. It's not like going to a true crypto exchange, whether it's a centralized exchange or a DeFi exchange. DeFi is always better. You can argue that, but these are the circumstances where regulation, these issues where, Celsius is run by somebody who kind of came from more of the TradFi world, traditional finance, and this is facing an event. You think of Terra Luna, you think of all of these other platforms that have kind of experienced some of this FUD lately. So the markets are down. But what am I saying? I'm saying, guys, when this fear is out there and there is so much negative news and the Bitcoin fear and greed index is down as low as 7 and Bitcoin's down 30% and your favorite altcoins are down 30%. Now, we have a buying opportunity of a lifetime. That's the fact, right? I've got red lights on behind me and it's red today, but guys, this is your chance. It's very scary to look at these markets and want to take any part of your paycheck and put it in, but dollar cost averaging and holding on to coins that you believe in, as long as you didn't pick Terra Luna, are going to pay off in the long run, which is why we go Bitcoin, we go Ethereum, and we pick the best competitors to those projects. Bitcoin's its own, but I mean other smart contract plays, other decentralized finance plays, other whether we're talking about the metaverse or we're talking about any other tokens, NFTs, that's what we got to keep our eye on, guys, because we have an opportunity and it's coming in the form of blood. Buy it when there's blood in the streets. This isn't financial advice, but I want to keep you guys keeping your head strong, keeping your chin up, because as bad as this is, I am so excited, and you should be too. That's all I got today. This is the Crypto Report. I am Crypto Kip. Thanks for watching, guys. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you like the content. Also, take advantage of the free links in the description down below. When you sign up for crypto.com, you can get $25. Also, when you go deposit money into Femex using the referral code down below, you can actually go ahead and get some free money towards one of those leverage trades. I'm out, guys. And as always, DCA, hodl, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody.